As the crowd continues to file in, we get set to bring you another exciting game. We're nearing the midpoint of the season, and it's...
You have called tails. Oakland has won the toss and choose to receive. Good luck, men.
They're lined up for the kickoff, so let's get today's game started. Bennett is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 fields it cleanly. The Raiders will start the drive from the 23-yard line. He's going to throw. Number 8 goes to the middle of the field. And it's caught. Number 45 brings him down at the 46-yard line. He pulls the trigger quickly.
As hard as he throws it, he always seems to put the ball right on the receiver's number.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Dropping back. Number 8 throws. It's batted away. Heads up play there to knock it down.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
A 2nd down and 10 to go. Looking to throw. And he stopped at the 43. He tried to pick up some yardage on his own on that play.
The defense held their positions and didn't let him get very far.
7 yards to go. Only one man in the backfield. Drops back. Gets rid of it. Takes his man with the pass. First and 10. Ball on the 32-yard line. He's looking to pass. Still running. Sam was intent on getting to the quarterback on that play.
The quarterback needs to be decisive under pressure. And he needs to find his go-to guy when he feels that pressure coming.
Only one man in the backfield. They'll go with the pass. With the pass. And they're able to connect on that one. And he ducks out of bounds at the 25. They need about 3. Ball on the 25-yard line. He's looking to pass. Tosses it right. And he hits his target. It's 1st and 10. Drops back. Rolling out to his left. He's looking. Number 8 throwing it to the left. He put a little too much on that.
There was no way he was going to get to that one.
Down inside the 15. Gets the pass off.
Pass incomplete. Number 37 on the coverage.
It's 3rd down, and they have a long way to go. Looking to pass. He kept the ball and just ran it in.
He was able to make some moves and make the defenders miss to get the yardage he needed.
The kick is up, and the extra point is good. And so the offense is able to drive the majority of the field and finish with a touchdown.
Can't argue with the result. The touchdown was the result that they were looking for. This offense could put it together.
Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends it off. Dwight is looking to pick up some blocking. The Chargers will start the drive from the 27. So we have 1st and 10 here. Breeze under center, using motion. He's looking upfield. Looking for blockers. Woodson makes the play at the 33-yard line. Picked up about 6 yards that time. Second down and 4 to go. Passes it. And they're able to connect on that one. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 48. He picked up some nice additional yardage after he made that reception.
What you do after you make the catch is the name of the game. You need to find some holes, use some moves, and get as far down the field as you can.
At the end of the first quarter, the score
And we're ready to start the second quarter.
Oakland 7.
The ball is right at midfield. Four linebackers this time. Drops back with the throw, and he drops the pass. And he's going to hang on to that one.
There's really no excuse for that. You just have to catch those balls.
Congratulations to the first.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 48-yard line.
You've won a lifetime supply of hot dogs.
Four linebackers this time. Number 88, the man in motion. Tomlinson on the carry. Spins around, and he's brought down at the 47-yard line. Not much running room this time.
They're going to keep running to see what the other team is willing to give them on the ground out there.
Third and 9. The Raiders line up with 3 wide receivers. Passes left. It was tipped. Breeze saw the pressure and got rid of the ball.
The play didn't work because the quarterback's timing and balance was off. When he starts to feel pressure, he gets a little nervous, and he has to get rid of the ball.
Bennett is just about ready to punt this one away. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had on their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 20. Garner, the lone back. They'll go with a pass. Passing to his left. And this pass is completed. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 43. 2-minute warning coming up. Drops back. Passing to his right. Harrison didn't even give the receiver a chance.
If you don't take your time and you start to rush your throw, that's what you're going to see happen. The defense can't afford to take too many gambles, going for a pick when they should just try and knock it down. One mistake can lead to a big play for the offense.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Looking to throw. And he's tackled at the 48. Number 8 breaks this one for a gain.
It's just so frustrating as a defense when a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
They need 5. Ball on their own 48.
Set.
Dropping back. Rolling out to his right. Gets rid of it. And he can't hang on. That pass doesn't find its target.
He tried to thread the needle there.
So the punt team gets ready as we near halftime. Dropping back with the throw. Richie can't come up with it on that attempt. So the early gamble doesn't pay off for them.
And they'll pay the price now if the other team can do something now that they've stopped them.
We're guessing they're going to just throw it and do their best to move into scoring range since they don't want to go into the half with the score the way it is. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 48-yard line. Breeze using split backs. He's going to throw. Passes it. Number 31 takes him down at the 37-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 37-yard line. Looking downfield. Rolling right. Passing to his right. Knocked away. Great play by getting a hand on it.
The receiver just didn't have good position on it.
And so on 2nd down, they'll try to move closer. 2nd and 10. We're just about down to 1 minute. Using motion. Woodson takes him down at the 30-yard line. And that was a gain of 7. They need about 3.
Timeout called by San Diego. 2 timeouts remain.
3rd and short, and with timeouts left, they might just try to pound this one up the middle and pick up the 1st down. So they need about 3 here. Breeze under center. Alexander comes in motion. He gets the toss on the carry. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 27.
Even if your running game isn't over-effective, running consistently with your big guys will tire out the defense because they're always taking hits and getting banged up.
Christie heads out to try this field goal. And it's on its way.
Sometimes you want to get a score before the half. But when you're leading in a game like this, you don't want to do anything risky. So you just run the ball and start getting ready for the 2nd half.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 34. Looking downfield. Passes left. Rice, the intended receiver. He let that one loose, but overthrows his receiver.
He just threw that pass too hard. The receiver might have caught up with the ball if he used a little more touch.
The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. Dropping back, throws it. Williams just couldn't find a way to come up with that. He knocked that one down.
You know, the quarterback needs to put that ball in a position where the defender can't get to it. That didn't happen there.
3rd and 10. Ball on their own 34. The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. Back to pass. Throws over to his right. The defender broke that play up. He did a nice job knocking that ball down.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down.
This could be the last play of the half, so the punt team clearly trying to avoid any chance of a block kick and providing the type of coverage that doesn't allow anybody to get loose. He's looking to pass. Dumps it off. Hits his man with the pass. And he's tackled at the 49-yard line. It's the end of the 2nd quarter with the score, Oakland 7, San Diego 0. Back to the game. So before we start the 3rd quarter, here's a quick look at how both teams have fared in the 1st half. Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 85 and number 28. receive.
He gets the kick away. Jenkins is heading upfield. San Diego is down by 1 touchdown. First and 10. Dropping back, Breeze passes to his left, and this pass is completed. Alexander is there for the catch, his first of the game.
15-yard gain.
It's first and 10. Ball on their own 32. Tomlinson, the lone back, using motion. Harris stopped him for his third tackle so far. They tried to move the ball on the ground.
A running attack that is consistent and effective will help the offense dictate the pace of the game.
Second and 7. Ball on their own 35. Breeze sets up. Conway goes in motion. Looking for blockers. Nice move. It's up for grabs. The Raiders grab the live ball. Great play by the defense to recover the fumble.
Yeah, they were right there to jump on the ball.
So they have first and 10 here. Only one man in the backfield. Quick drop. Gets the pass off. And the catch is made. And the defender brings him down at the 12. Terrific athleticism there. Leaping up, catching the pass.
This receiver has great body control. It doesn't seem to matter where it's thrown. He always seems to come up with it.
First and 10. Number 8 gets set. Throws it. And they're able to connect on that one.
Pass interference, number 23. Defense. Penalty.
John, he's hurt. Get an update from Melissa soon as the extent of the injury is known. And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. So that drive took only a few ticks off the clock. It still got them into the end zone.
Giving up such a quick score can demoralize the defense. But sometimes it's not even their fault if they get put in a bad situation. They just got to buckle down and make sure they don't have a repeat performance the next time they're on the field.
He kicks it off. Trying to give them good field position. San Diego needs 2 scores to get back into this one. Let's go to Melissa.
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, it's good news because on the replay, it looked a lot more serious than that. He'll probably miss the rest of the game. He didn't have to make any adjustments to come up with that catch.
A few more like that, and this guy's going to be in the All-Madden team.
It's first and 10. Ball on their own 39. Man in motion. Harris makes the play at the 39. He found the ball carrier to make his 4th stop of the game.
Personal foul. Face mask on the defense, number 44.
So it's a 15-yard penalty, not the incidental 5-yard face mask.
With his helmet on sideways like that, I bet he thought his whole head had just been readjusted on his neck.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Only one man back. He's looking upfield with the carry. Perella makes the tackle at the 45-yard line. Not much on that play.
Yeah, you talk about a defensive line winning the battle, and this is what you mean. The running back gets to the line, and there's nowhere to go after that.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. Dropping back. Breeze passes left. Caldwell can't come up with it on that attempt. He threw the ball into pretty heavy coverage.
Yeah, he's lucky the defender didn't come away with that pass.
Now it's 3rd and 9 coming up. Ball on the 45-yard line. He's looking to pass. Gets rid of it. Number 86, the intended receiver. He overthrows his intended receiver.
I wonder if that one slipped out of his hand. It was clearly off target.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. Bennett will do his best to get this one inside their 5. They were very effective the last time they had the ball, picking up a lot of yardage through the air as they moved down the field for a touchdown. Deep in their own territory. Looking to throw. Number 8 rolls out to his right, still running. He records his first sack on that play.
The last thing you want to see is your quarterback take a shot like that, especially from that guy.
So we've reached the end of the 3rd quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the San Diego Chargers. 14-0. 2nd down, and they need 15 for the 1st. Ball on their own 5. Drops back. Sam got in there for the sack.
Yeah, and the quarterback just had to take the hit. And that took a lot out of him.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. Ball on the 1-yard line. Quick drop. And he's brought down at the 10-yard line.
The offensive line is totally dominating, and the back has great vision today.
4th and 10. Number 8 sets up. Dropping back. Rolls left. With the throw, the defender broke that play up. He's going to throw. Please lets it fly. The defender was caught out of position on the score.
Yeah, the defenders were looking one way while the play was going the other.
The kick is up. The extra point attempt is good. And the coaching staff is happy after that drive. Touchdowns against this defense aren't easy to come by.
Big players make big plays, and that scores touchdowns. Give some credit to the linemen out there. They're the biggest guys in the field, and without them, no one gets into the end zone.
Number 31 fields it cleanly.
If they can control the clock here, they can win this game.
First and 10. Four-man front this time. Dropping back. He's looking. Number 8 with the pass. Knocked away. Porter just dropped that pass.
I think he just took his eyes off that one.
2nd and 10. The Raiders line up with two backs behind the quarterback. Missed tackle. Looking for a receiver. Number 8 sends the pass away. Brigham, the intended receiver.
Pass interference. Defense.
It's first and 10. Two-minute warning coming up. He's looking to pass. Throws it. Ritchie can't come up with it on that attack. He overthrew the target.
It almost looked like he might have been trying to throw it to someone else.
So it's second and 10. Number 8 under center. Dropping back. Throws it. And this pass is completed. That pass was right on the money, and the receiver was there to make the catch with his first reception. So they're almost within their kicker's range. 2 minutes to the final gun. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Rolling right with the throw. And it's complete. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 27-yard line. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
This receiver can really do it all. He has speed, he runs great routes, and he can make catches on any kind of throw because he's got those great hands.
It's first and 10. Ball on the 27-yard line. 4-man front this time. Looking to throw. Tosses it right. Gets his hand on it. That pass was batted away.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
Second and 10. Ball on the 27-yard line. Looking downfield. Gets the pass off. He hits his receiver. Polk brings him down at the 14-yard line. He wraps him up and now has 4 tackles.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeout.
It's first and 10. Ball on the 14-yard line. Looking to throw. Looking downfield. Number 8 sends the pass away. Breaks free of the defender. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
And that's his second touchdown pass today. He's going to throw.
The conversion attempt is no good.
Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 85 and number 28 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Dwight is on his way upfield. They're ready to start another drive, hoping to duplicate the result of the last one, which ended in a touchdown. First and 10. The Chargers line up in the shotgun. Quick drop with the pass. Number 86, the intended receiver. He just couldn't find a way to control it.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass. The defense should focus on keeping the receiver from getting to the sideline, because as soon as he catches the ball, that's where he's going to want to go with it.
Dropping back, throws it. Nice reception. And he stopped at the 37-yard line. That was flawless execution.
That one was all about timing. The quarterback let it go, and the receiver looked back just at the right time.
Looking downfield. Short throw. He tried to fire that one in there.
He never looked comfortable in the pocket on that pass.
Second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 37. Breeze gets set. Drops back. Passing to his right. And the catch is made. He throws a perfect strike.
That was one heck of a throw. You could see him setting for the pass, then boom, it was gone.
It's 1st and 10. 3 linemen and 4 linebackers lined up defensively. Passing right, Alexander was the intended target on that pass attempt. He couldn't hang on to it.
That's the old rule. If you get your hands on it, you got to catch it.
I doubt we'll see any blitzing from the defense from this point on. 2nd and 10. Breeze sets up. Looking downfield, throws it. Alexander was the intended target on that pass attempt, and so running out of both time and downs, they'll have to pick up the first down here to keep their very slim hopes alive. They'll be faced with a long 3rd down play here. The Chargers line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. He's going to throw. Stepping up, throws it. He'll feel that one tomorrow.
Yeah, 1 second you're running full speed one way, and then you go from that to full stop. And that means you took a big hit going the other way.
It's 1st and 10.
Okay, they got to keep throwing downfield to move the chain, or keeping the clock movement to a minimum.
2nd and 10. Tosses it right, and he dropped it. A good pass, but no catch.
There's just no excuse for that. He's getting paid a lot of money to make those catches.
3rd and long. Ball on the 22-yard line. 4-man front this time. The Chargers use motion. Dropping back, passes it. It was tipped. Woodson didn't give him a chance on that one.
An interception would have been nice, but a great play either way.
The slim chances of turning this into a game will end if they can't convert here on 4th and long. The Chargers line up with 3 wide receivers. Quick drop. Steps up into the pocket. Breeze rolls out to his right. Bryant comes up big for the defense, dropping the quarterback.
After you take a couple of hits like that, you learn not to hold on to the ball too long.
The defense has a timeout left, but it won't help them. Kneel downs can end the game, running out the clock. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 26. He's going to throw. Passing to the middle of the field. Second and 10. Ball on their own 26. Number 8 sets up. They'll go with a pass. With the throw, and the catch is made. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
3rd and 5 coming up. Ball on their own 31. Barner, the lone back. They'll go with a pass. Surveying the field. Number 8 rolls left. Gets the pass off. Nice reception. And he stopped at the 45.
The only thing they should be doing here is going with a kneel down so they can chalk up the W.
So they have 1st and 10 here. And it looks like an offset on. Dropping back. Flips it out. Batted down. Harrison knocked that one down.
You know, he did what you taught to do. And that's take away the ability for the receiver to catch the ball. He can't catch it when you knock it down.
2nd and 10. Ball on the 45-yard line. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. Number 8 with the throw. Brown was the intended receiver, so he ends up overthrowing his target.
That pass was clearly overthrown. The defense is out of timeout. All the offense has to do is kneel down.
And they'll face a long 3rd down here. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Back to pass. With the pass. The pass is picked off. That's the end of the game. The final score is Oakland 20, San Diego 7. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.